big difference how they changed that.
They did change it.
Yeah, they made a huge difference.
Like always, all my videos are my own opinion, and anything in this video is the ground level of a half-as restoration project. So enjoy and you know, interact with this video and all that business. Part of any project or anything that you do, you got to be organized. So I found this by the side of the road. I'm all like, oh cool, could use it, the drawers. So these are my drawers with different things in there. It's just a couple random things I've just had for over the years. Here's my, for the radiator. This one says Ford on it. Oh my gosh, it's gonna run so much better. Then this, I have one of these back at the house too. You know, so I mean, like my electrical stuff, another hose. Yeah, I bought a couple things I didn't even need. But you know what? That's part of the learning curve, and that's why I make mistakes, so you don't have to. So this is the glass, and before there's any more damage, if there is any damage to it, I need to install this glass. I never even did inventory, man. It's like, man, I buy stuff and I don't get to it right away, so if it's not complete, I guess the joke's on me. And it looks like, oh yeah, it's all there, I think. It's supposed to be the front, the back, yeah. You know, as a matter of fact, I wonder if it would be better to unwrap it and put it, you know what? It's a great idea. I could do inventory at the same time. That's how the truck looks with bumpers. I think I did pictures like this already, but I think I decided to sell the bumper if I could get a good price for it. You know? I would love to give away my stuff, but I need to try to do better. Haven't been doing very good lately with this whole project thing, so I'm not exactly the most encouraged, but maybe I'm not the most discouraged either. Well, this is how it is right now, but this is just for the time being. I had this seat done last year. I'm not too crazy about the color, but as an artist, I'm just going to embrace it and see if I can make it work. You know, like an artist would do. You know, you gotta make do. You gotta make something out of your project, and yeah, hope it'll be good. From my limited experience, by all means, if you can, keep your cardboard. This cardboard was from a bed. This one was from something else. But it's big flat pieces you could lay on, and just like back in the day was when you were doing breakdancing, it's really slick and slippery, so you could slide back and forth on it when you're going under and over and all around. See, this was another thing that should have been installed immediately. I mean, maybe I should even go get it tested to make sure it's going to hold water. But it was full. It did hold water, you know, but as far as pressurized hot water, I don't know yet. I guess you don't know until you're actually, when you find out. This mesh, I don't know, I just couldn't give it up. It looked like it might be come in handy. Some way, some shape, some form. So. Just dawned on me that I put the bumper upside down, but at least it'll be a good picture for trying to sell it. The rear bumper, I'm likely to probably regret selling this, but I'm not trying to restore. Someone out there might be trying to restore their truck. I'm just trying to get the truck to take me to go get coffee and donuts. Coffee and donut. Part of my learning process was probably buying too many things. Buying a bunch of stuff that I didn't even need when it's not even actually running yet, so yeah. Crunchy crunch. How was your day mostly?
Pretty good. I took a nap. I went with my friend Sharon to Sultan's. Remember Sultan's?
Yeah, I like that place. We gotta go back sometime.
Yeah, we went there. That's our usual spot for lunch. A few weeks ago we went to the Olive Garden.
Oh, that's a good spot too.
Yeah.